Top 5 most difficult quiz in the world. Question 1. What is the only word in the English language that ends with metricton? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. Dreamt, also spelled dreamed, but dreamt is unique. Question 2. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. Vatican City, about 0.49 square kilometer. Question 3. Which is the only planet that rotates clockwise? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. Venus. Question 4. In mathematics, what is the only even prime number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. 2. Question 5. Which country has a flag that is not rectangular or square? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. Nepal.